Hey, how's it going? It's quiz time. So, the title of this one is called Which is denser, Rio or San Francisco? Try comparison operators in this quiz. This code calculates the population densities of Rio de Janeiro and San Francisco. Alright, so we're gonna write code that prints true San Francisco is denser than Rio and false otherwise. So right here, it looks like they already came up with the density. Right, San Francisco this density is being held in this variable. Same thing with Rio de Janeiro's population density is being held here. Before I write the code, you should try doing it yourself. So pause the video, do it yourself. Give yourself a few minutes to do it. It shouldn't take you longer than 3 minutes. If it does, then click play and you can see how I do it. But so we're just printing true or false, right? So we're gonna print. I'm gonna copy this variable so I don't have to type it. Okay. And if it's greater than Rio de Janeiro's population density, then this is going to return true, otherwise it's going to return false. So we're going to have a test run. I wonder if this is true though. Let's submit the answer. Yep, and it works. Okay, so I did this one already, so I don't want you looking at it, but what do you think Python uses the equal for checking equality rather than just a single equal sign? So if you scroll down, it's going to give you multiple questions. Try to do it yourself. I'm going to scroll down now, so pause the video. Right? So because the single equal sign is used to assign variables. Okay. I submit that. Yeah, that's right. Alright. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section and or shoot me an email.